2002 Chevy Silverado, short bed, step side. 34,000 miles on this car. I know it's got rear gears of 373. I know it's a 5.3 liter V8. I know it's a bucket seat car. I know it's got a little column shifter, but this has got to be one of the nicest, cleanest cars I've seen in a long time. Ready?
I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh my Lord.
Oh goodness.
He's excited.
Yes,
you
he
ready?
is. I am.
Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always, is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, tell him some stuff about some things.
Let me tell him some stuff. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down, call us about this truck or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time, and also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. And also 92% of you are not subscribed. Why not? You're watching these anyway, just subscribe because it helps us out. Also, if you want full photo sets of all of these cars and this truck, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com, and you can see everything there. But for now, Chris, tell us about this amazing vehicle.
2002 Chevy Silverado, short bed, step side. 34,000 miles on this car. I know it's got rear gears of 373. I know it's a 5.3 liter V8. I know it's a bucket seat car. I know it's got a little column shifter, but this has got to be one of the nicest, cleanest cars I've seen in a long time. It was very well cared for. It's got rear window defogger. I mean, it's got a ton of options.
Awesome color. There's actually like metal flake in it, which is really cool. You kind of see it in the sun over here.
And nobody put anything in this bed.
Yeah, this bed's really, I mean, it's a little stretched up there on the tailgate, but I mean, it's a truck. Just throw a plastic bed liner in it. It'll be good.
That's a step side.
I know, step side. That's awesome. One of the most reliable trucks ever made and only 34,000 miles. This could last you probably for the rest of your life.
It's depending on your age, but and how you take care of it. This is a great car. I can't believe this truck.
And I think the windows are tinted because I just noticed the back window looks pretty dark.
Very, very dark.
Which is really nice.
Roll out the window, huh?
Absolutely.
With our power windows.
We'll just start it up while you're in here. There it goes.
All right, I'm gonna roll that one. I'll roll this one up. Slight tint.
A little bit of tint. Just enough.
Just enough. But everything is working on this bad boy, including the air conditioner.
You ready to take it for a spin?
We have to take it for a spin. Oh, cup holders.
Well, let's just hop in it then.
Let's just hop in and go, Jake. What are we even waiting on? All right, Jake, here I come. Coming in.
Here he comes.
Oh, we've got power seats over here.
I know, and it's so easy to get in and out of.
For me, a little short fella.
I know, it's not lifted or anything, so you're not dealing with that. Oh, the AC is already freezing. I'm actually going to turn that up. It's too cold.
Yeah, it is a beautiful day here in sunny, gorgeous St. Charles, Missouri, 70 degrees.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we're not even really going to need this.
You don't need it, honestly.
Although I can
like to see it work.
I can say it does work. It rides.
Feel good about
amazing. Ride control.
What? This is it. Because Chevy knows how to party?
You can change the ride control to firm, and a little light lights up. That's incredible. I didn't know these trucks ever had anything like that. That's pretty. Oh, and the horn works. I love a good horn.
Who doesn't?
You also have tow/haul mode.
Oh, I love that.
I'm assuming that just turns off the overdrive or something, so you have a little more pep.
I believe it does. I know it's got 373 rear gears, so you can pull whatever pretty much you want.
Yeah, it's already got some pep, I would assume, especially with the 5.3 liter V8 motor.
A V8 motor.
V8 motor out front. Basically an LS-based engine, although they were a little bit different in the trucks. Some of them were iron block, some of them were aluminum. I don't know exactly which one this is, but it doesn't matter. It's a V8.
It's still an iron block, but it's a gorgeous car.
But I mean,
gorgeous truck, rather.
Power locks, power windows.
Yeah.
Dome lights up here that work, because of course they do.
Why wouldn't they?
It's only got 34,000 miles on it. Everything works.
Everybody's showing up for lunch.
You got a nice radio that reminds me of the inside of my Camaro. Very early 2000s GM over here with all your HVAC controls and your radio and all that good jazz. And Chris is getting a phone call.
Of course he is. Why wouldn't he?
His Irish music is playing.
Ah, yes, and I'm not even that much Irish, but I like the song, and I don't know who that is, but I'm going to call him back because I'm talking to you people about this lovely car.
Yes, he is. I mean, even the headliner looks brand new. It's not drooping, it's not stained. Oh, look at that. You got the little The sun blockers that come out of the visors that are also very stiff.
How about this ride?
And it's incredible. I didn't put it on firm. It's still in nice ride mode, so. And even like the sticker looks like it was laid on there yesterday. I mean, the warnings for the seatbelts and stuff and the airbags.
Someone took good care of it.
Someone took very good care of this. The dash, great condition. No cracks or anything.
In the garage, look at the mirrors.
It's not faded. Yeah, I know. Nothing's faded on this thing.
No, it's
everything's
a beautiful
just
truck.
Mint.
Mint.
Minty fresh.
Minty fresh.
Oh, look, you have a little jack storage.
It's all in the back.
That's where your jack is, right there, behind the seats. Very cool. We do not have back seats for real people.
Nope.
But if you look out this back window, you can see your bed. We also have some rubber floor mats back there. But I mean, even the bed's painted just like the rest of the body. Great.
Rear window defogger. And look, I know what direction we're going. Northwest.
Yes. We can tell what direction we're going. Look at that.
I am putting AC on now because it's getting a little warm
with the
in
windows
here.
up.
And I wanted to be able to hear you. And look at the console. Look at that.
I know it opens somehow, but I can't figure out how.
It's in the front. Oh wait, no, it's right here.
It's on the side. Ah, there we go. Look at that.
Change.
Big old console.
Plenty of storage.
Cup holders. That was the thing they started putting in cars in the early 2000s because they actually cared about
Feature
cups.
phone.
And they're wide, useful cup holders in the modern day. You can fit a big gulp inside of that cup holder.
Even a super big gulp.
Yeah, that should be the standard. Can a big gulp fit in it? Very
Cool.
nice. And look at the gauges. Here, watch out.
Aren't they glorious?
Very nice gauges, very low miles. All of them work. Good oil pressure, low temp, good voltage. Got over half a tank of gas. We can go anywhere.
Let's go.
And also, as long as you keep your foot out of it, these V8s actually got decent gas mileage.
They did.
You can get high teens out of this, average.
Absolutely. I mean, why wouldn't you? But this is a fun one, man. I like this truck.
I know, and it's comfy. And with the windows up, it's quiet.
Oh,
very
here's your
subdued.
cargo. Oh, we have to show over here.
Oh, what's that?
I have traction assist over here
Oh,
because Chevy knows how to party.
Yeah, the biggest button in the whole car is traction control.
Cargo lamp. And then I think we have little lights. These little frog lights.
Frog lights?
I believe they're frog lights. Oh, that too. I call them frog lights. Drives people crazy.
Do you do that on purpose?
I do. Used to say to kids, they would say, "Dad, I got a frog in my throat." I'm like, "A frog? Let me look." And then I would tell them there's a frog down there. They'd freak out. They're still getting over that.
That's funny. Hey, look, another truck. That's kind of like ours.
It is like ours. Except that's not as well taken care of as this one.
No, it's not.
Whoever's
It's
the
also not a
previous
short
owner.
bed step side.
That's
So
right.
it's not as cool.
And you got a you-know-what handle.
I do.
You-know-what.
I have an you-know-what handle in case the wheel gets a little out of hand. And also I have a glove box with
Whoa.
the owner's manual.
Nice.
Very cool. And we're at a stop sign, which means a bit of a bean test.
A wee bit of one. Let's
Do
set this guy down.
Do a wee bit of a bean test, Chris.
Catching up with the Scion.
Oh, wow. This thing's got a lot of pep, actually.
He's got pep.
We caught up to that Scion way too fast.
That was easy. It's a joke, Trotter.
Yeah, this thing's a lot faster than I was expecting.
Oh, you got delayed wipers too. I love the delayed wipers.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, and there's
Wipers
on
work.
delay.
They don't make any weird noises. Even the wiper blades look brand new. I mean, this thing is incredible.
There you go. See?
There you go.
Mm-hmm. Delayed. Delayed.
And you can put your key in there and turn my airbag off if you want to.
I would definitely turn it off for you, Jake.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Don't want you getting punched in the face with the airbag. That'd be terrible.
Yeah, that's all right. I got a real seatbelt for a real person, so
That
should be all right.
That's right. We do have real
Yeah,
seatbelts.
this is. Oh, I love this truck.
This
I
is
want it
great.
I want it real badly.
I know. This is. I mean, it's no Prelude, but it's darn cool.
It is no Prelude, but I do like it a lot.
Everything still feels very new because when I put it in gear, you felt it all. It's very tight.
I know.
Oh, this is a wonderful truck.
yeah,
This
and
really
it smells good in here. It smells like Chevy truck.
is. Smells like freedom.
Yes, it does.
Shall we?
Ready to do some flybys?
Let's do it. It's nice and quiet. Wow, she's moving. She probably hasn't been driven like that in a while. Man, thing cooks. Jake?
I never thought I'd say it, but this truck is actually fast.
I know it's fast. I wanted to see if these lights are on. Hit those again, that button. Huh. Thought that would work. You have fog lights at the bottom here. I just don't know how to turn them on.
I know, I think you gotta maybe do one of these. I
Oh.
think that's fog lights. Try that.
Yeah, that's it.
There we go.
They look great.
Nice.
Yeah, this is a really great truck, and boy, it does move.
Yeah, you gotta turn this little switch right there to the right, and then the fog light will turn on.
That's what it is. Okay, cool
So
beans.
you had them on off. But yeah, this thing, I never thought I'd say it, is fast. It's actually really quick. It's
Yeah,
a
it is.
small truck, it's lightweight, big V8, a lot of torque. I mean, I'm not joking, mint condition.
Yeah.
There's nothing in here that would suggest that anyone's ever driven the car.
Yeah, look,
I
open
mean,
that
here, let
door.
me-
Look how clean this is.
Look at the
We
door
didn't really, honestly, we didn't do much to this truck. It came this beautiful. We have
Yeah.
a great detail shop, don't get me wrong.
Maybe I should
But,
put it in park.
I mean, this is just, the rubber's nice. It's just,
yeah.
sorry, we're going on and on.
I know, it's incredible.
Great O2.
You ready to go back?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
I can't believe you have power seats on the passenger side.
I know.
God bless this car's nice, man.